guys better get the fuck out of here. Wow. I want one of them.
Oh shit.
Yeah, he drove that car off this, out of this wreck, over to there.
So the car was on the track?
Yes.
They were pushed off of the tracks, which then allowed the driver to then operate the vehicle. They operated it down Gertrude Avenue to Jefferson, parked in a metered spot very nicely. As I was trying to locate the crew,
He drove that car out of the accident zone. He drove it right off the tracks after the train hit it. He drove it over here.
Where's the guy?
He ran.
Really? He did a hell of a job.